Put in his mouth. What you got your foot in your mouth for? Jay, you trying to bite it? Jay. Front porch at Papa and Grandma's house, biting on her toes.